pfulelana loko a ku taleriwe hi gome ku dlawa ka maphorisa hi tinsula-voya ku yisa emahlweni eka tiko leri. Constable Khotso Malahlela na Sejeni Vusimuzi Batsha va ha ku dlayiwa.
My big brother was with me from the moment I opened my eyes. He saw my very first footsteps, and he was happy to brag about this even to his last days. And not to forget the disciplinarian he was. I suppose that's the reason why the universe decided to lead his path to the South African Police Service. He wore his uniform with pride.
Swigevenga swi baleke na swibalesa na swiviko swa maqulu kumbe ti-bulletproof vest. Maphorisa lava a va ri kona hi siku ra Mahungu va hlamusele leswi nga humelela.
I took the van with the warrant officer and rushing to the scene. When I get to the scene, I saw that somebody was lying on the street. I thought maybe it's one of the member of the public because the uniform you cannot see it from the member. But when I come closer with warrant officer and we saw that Sergeant Batsha was lying lifeless on the ground and could see that it was not moving, it was nothing. Malika also, Sergeant, was also there on that scene.
Killing of police officers, it has become a pandemic now. It's like a pandemic. We are saying, let us protect our protectors. We said, now, let's make sure that any person who kills a police, that should be treated as treason. Because these people are attacking the state. And we cannot continue living like this in our country and fear our life.
Maphorisa mambhiri lava nga dlawa va ta lahliwa hi mfumo.
I saw the 3 kids. Sejeni Batsha. I saw 1 child, Malahlela. They are young kids. I said criminals are lucky because they are not there ukubona imisebenzi yezandla zabo.
Makume nharhu wa maphorisa va love va ri entirhweni hi lembe ximali ra 2001-2002.